So hello and welcome to Steps to Maths. In this introductory video, I want to introduce you to what Steps to Maths is and where it came from. But mostly I want to talk about my motivation for creating this site, which is also why it'll be so useful for you in achieving success. So my mission is to be a guide, to give you a path to follow so that you can acquire the skills and techniques necessary for the fulfillment of mastery. So let's talk about mastery and talent. Now, usually when we see a performance or a show, we usually only see the finished product. We see the show, the performance and the skills on display, and we don't usually see the path that was followed. So there is a slight problem with that. And not only that we don't see the work that was done in order to achieve this type of success, but also that we have an idea that people are talented in a way that we cannot be. Most people generally will refuse to believe that people aren't innately talented, that this is something that they can achieve themselves. And this is okay. It's hard to believe this. It's hard psychologically, it's hard emotionally to believe that that this is the case. However, that is your advantage if you're willing to believe this, that with the right type of work and with the right type of guidance, you too can be talented, or masterful is a word I prefer to use. And in order to understand what I mean by this better, I'd like to recommend two books for you to read. The first book is Mastery by George Leonard, which gives you an introduction to the concept of mastery. And the second is Talented is Overrated by Jeff Colvin, which is a superbly well written and a superbly well researched book, which will help you to truly understand and truly believe that mastery of a domain is something, mastery of an area that you want to be excellent in is something that is within your reach. So in order to be motivated, this is something that you need to believe in yourself, that you can be successful. It's so difficult when you put in all the work and feel you're not achieving success. So in order to set your expectations for growth, these are two books that I really recommend that you read. And in terms of mastery, as you achieve this success, the recognition of the success is motivational in itself. And this is what I mean by the fulfillment of mastery. When I say I want to be your guide to help you achieve the fulfillment of mastery, I mean the inner rewards that you have when you achieve success in an area that you've worked at. So your domain of mastery, the area in which you want to be excellent, is of course your own choice. My bias is towards maths and engineering, and I will say that the Steps to Maths course incorporates the methods and details necessary for mastery. So if you read the two books, it talks about the right type of training that you need to do in order to achieve mastery, and this is something that I've incorporated into Steps to Maths. So if you've read the two books, I think you'll understand this concept much better, and suggest you do so. And if you're interested then in achieving excellence in mathematics, or if you want to improve your skills in mathematics in any way, because whatever level you are at, you can improve with Steps to Maths. So I'd like to welcome you to that, then tell you what is in it. Steps to Maths includes video training content. It includes workbooks so that you can complete exercises so you get a deep understanding of what you are doing. It includes revision so that you keep all the knowledge that you've worked so hard to get, which is something I see so often, is that people lose that knowledge, unfortunately, that they've worked so hard for. And I don't want you to lose that knowledge. And finally, there's courses. Now, the courses are fulfilling the concept of mastery. They're guided day-by-day exercises to help you to achieve excellence, which is what I'm looking for. It's what I want you to achieve. I want you to feel that achievement. I want you to feel the fulfillment of mastery, and I would look forward to being your guide to help you achieve that. Okay, so that's everything, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.